How long are we going to be?
An hour now.
Hour?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, as long as you say it's okay, it's okay. Okay. I think we're going to be doing the next challenge now.
Ethan's ones are always the best ones.
Oh, yeah.
He's like the alpha male of this game.
Oh, yeah. You think so?
Yeah, I wouldn't say if I didn't think so.
I might think Scott might be the alpha male.
That's debatable.
It's just because he's like beating the crap out of it. Beating the crap out of everyone.
I don't know, that driving against the traffic was pretty alpha.
He's more of a reckless bastard. Not really alpha.
Yeah.
Now where am I supposed to go? There must be a clue or something. It might be a trap. I'd better be careful. This is the old Pico power station. I thought it was abandoned.
So clearly can't go in through the front, so...
The origami figure was in the form of a butterfly. So, am I looking for a butterfly? What the hell am I supposed to do here?
Somewhere around here. There it is. This is the instances where I'm thinking about. Let that be a preview of the amount of button presses we're going to be doing at once.
Electrical condensers. Going by the sound of them, they're still active. A butterfly on the door. That's where I need to get to.
So the origami was butterflies, and that kind of helps them out. Button measure. Yeah. Well, that was annoying. In fact, yeah, I'm going to be impressed with your calling it skills. What do you think this challenge is going to be? Given the fact that we're at a power plant.
Is that boxing matches?
Yeah.
I can't call this one. He's just going to be crawling through a maze.
I give up. I can't win against you.
That one was pretty giveaway though.
No, you don't know.
You have a box of matches to light your path, and you have to find your way to the other side. And of course that closes behind him. Why did that close behind him? Was there someone there?
Yeah, I'm going to assume that. You know why? Because
shit's about to go down.
He's inside a room, there's no wind. So close the door and...
But does it ever come back to that?
No, that's... Like, you think you would have seen him, but it is pitch black. But the game puts it laying in so we can see what's going on. Yeah.
Glass. Broken glass. Sharp as a razor. Impossible to go back. I'm gonna have to crawl through it, slowly, so I don't tear up my arms.
Well, I would just clear it.
Yeah, that's what I thought too the first time I went through. It was just...
What a douchebag.
But then again, you can't see anything.
And then again, he's wearing a leather jacket. Like he doesn't put his hands in his jacket, you know?
Yeah. So...
The match flame. It indicates where the fresh air comes from. All I have to do is follow the wind.
So there is wind.
Ooh, yeah.
Right.
But...
in that room there wasn't.
This is the best part, turning with these controls.
That glass is making me cringe.
I know, right? It would be slower, but I would clear the glass away. But yeah, right now we have to light a match at every intersection and see which way it points.
So don't miss this.
One time when I was doing this, I turned the wrong way. I actually came exactly the way I like with all the camera shifts, I ended up going back the wrong way, and like ended up going in reverse. By the time I figured out what was happening,
Oh my
I was
god.
back at the entrance.
You'd expect there to be a lot more screaming with the glass until
He's pretty alpha, holding it in.
Yes, what is his name, Scott?
No, this is Ethan.
The other guy.
Yeah, Scott.
He's not this alpha. This is pretty alpha.
No, I don't want to let match. Damn it. And we've got a four-way intersection, and he's hoping I can turn properly. Turn.
Rats. Charming. If they got in, then maybe I can get out.
Am I going the right way?
Why is there glass everywhere?
Did you hear? Oh, I'm at a dead end. Yeah, now turn around. Ow. Alright. I'm trying to go left. Come on. Damn it!
Is it really that hard to turn?
Yes! Okay, left. Yes! I think I made it. Yeah, I made it. Screw the camera angles.
I don't understand how the glass got in. I'm assuming it was just
a bag, and then just like... Yeah, actually, I don't know. Maybe someone had a bag on their back of glass, and then cut the bottom of it, and then just crawled through this.
Someone had a lot of time on their hands, and they even put the glass in the areas where you don't have to go.
Yeah.
Can you imagine that? So they have to draw through their own glass to get through every corner.
Oh my god.
Like, can you imagine the behind the scenes of this?
Oh man, this guy's got more time on his hands than Riddler. Alright. Yeah, he's had to go through all the dead ends.
Put it as
I didn't think this through. There we go.
It's funny putting things in black and white and then realizing the shit that people have to go through.
Yeah, we finally made it.
He could have always just got lazy and put the glass in the spots where he had to go.
But then he would have followed the glass to get out.
I don't want to follow the glass. It hurts too much. I'm going to go this way. I think it's the right way. It's a dead end. God damn it.
Oh man, that would suck. Look at his knees. Yeah.
That jacket is strong, isn't it?
Yeah. And now we enter the ship too.
I guess I don't really have any choice.
You would. Oh, no, don't want to do it.
I like how he knows he has to do this.
Well, he's pretty much stuck in a room with
You'd be a bit skeptical.
No, but there's nowhere else to go in this room.
Why does he go in legs first?
That's how you.
Oh, she slides. Okay.
Yeah.
Face first.
Alright, you have to crawl, yeah, face first, but they're sliding.
That's frightening, hey? Imagine if it just stops and can't do that.
You just suddenly gain like 200 kilos for no reason. And it's glass here too. I think my theory of the bag was right.
You found Glass Man's lair. Gnawing on some glass. Made of glass.
Jewel Man.
There's actually a guy that can eat globes. Like globes and stuff.
Really?
Yeah. You know,
does he light up when you zap him with static electricity?
No, do you remember Maury Povich or Jerry Springer or one of those shows?
Yeah.
There's like an old school Dr. Phil.
Yeah.
Like an interview show. I think it was Jerry Springer. And they had the guy on and he could eat globes and aluminium and stuff like that. And shards of glass.
Even if they're off, eating a globe will like rip your throat off.
I don't know. He's a mechanical man or some crap.
Keep it together, Ethan. Come on.
So
I better leave while I'm still alive. I'm not going to save Sean by dying here.
What is he doing?
Alpha male, man.
You're gonna mess this up.
Yeah, of course.
It's just this one.
No.
How many are there?
You gotta go through this maze, electrical barriers, and you gotta go.
Oh my god.
You gotta go through the ones that aren't lit up. Towards the end, it gets bad. Did I get through? Yep, I did.
Look at your...
I can't switch channel.
Your HUD is just gone weird.
Like there's a HUD to begin with. I keep doing my stuff, but I went through the wrong entrance. What button is that? That top of it. Is it safe? Can't even tell. If I take too many hits, I die.
The HUD gets further and further.
Yeah, look at 5 buttons. Yeah. And I don't heal over time either.
Does the HUD just get more and more dramatic?
Yeah. I reckon I can take 2 more hits.
I reckon the third hit you will die.
Yeah. It's a 3 hit point one.
That one's pretty easy.
Yeah, all the trigger buttons.
No, I mean like...
Oh, you're getting through it. You start
physically getting through that.
Yeah. Yeah, crawling on the floor is easily the best way to...
The sparks would scare the crap out of me though.
Yeah. We're down to the last layer. I think I can just go straight ahead.
You know what would be actually interesting?
What?
Me doing like playthrough of like the horror games.
Like Silent Hill?
Yeah.
Resident Evil?
Yeah, and you just watching. that would make
shit all my pants.
That would make some funny commentary. Because I tried to play Slenderman and I couldn't even finish that.
Oh, I would love to do a playthrough of Slenderman.
I think it's a bit past prime now.
Oh, we'll still do it anyway. They have their standards.
Ah, I just noticed the water.
Yeah.
I couldn't tell in the first two. It looks like it's gonna say Roosevelt or something.
God damn it, Thea!
Am I right?
Yes!
Am I really right?
Yeah. But the differences in the address are
Subtle.
yeah, like drive, road, avenue.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what.
But yeah, I'm such a god.
Are you sure you haven't played this game?
No, I haven't.
Well, that was the end of the second challenge. We're going to take a break.
I feel like that's a good point to stop because that was like a sort of bit of a climax. So,
Alright, so see you.
see ya.